The Garifuna history. The Garinagu are a mix of West Central African, Arawak, and Carib ancestry. Though they were captives removed from their homeland, these people were never documented as slaves.
The two prevailing theories is that they were either the survivors of two recorded shipwrecks or somehow took over the ship they came on.
The more central, West Central African-looking people were transferred from the British, by the British from St. Vincent to islands in the Bay of Honduras in 1797.
1997, 3 p.m. is when the Garinagu arrived to Central America. What was the place they arrived to? They arrived to an island called Roatán.
A subsequent shipwreck in 1675, along with slaves fleeing neighboring islands, especially from the colonial plantations in Barbados, produced a rapid influx of Africans to the island. These Africans rapidly became part of the Arawakan Indian society.
Soon after, the African men began to marry the Arawaks, or Carib women, mixing the two cultures. From this union come a new population of black Caribbeans to compete for land and power with the original Arawakan Caribs.
This new population of black Caribs is what today is known as the Garifuna people.
This new population of black Caribs is what today is known as the Garifuna people.
Today, the current world population of Garifunas is estimated at upwards of 300,000 people, many of whom now live in the U.S. and Canada.
Garifuna communities along the Caribbean Sea live mostly in coastal towns and villages in the
Central American countries of Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua.
Then, according to the history we just read, who inhabited the island of St. Vincent?
The Garinagu.
The Garinagu people, right? And is the Garifuna a nation?
Yes.
Are we considered to be a nation?
Yes.
Yes.
Indeed. We are a nation, and therefore we acknowledge the existence of the Garifuna nation. So to all, let be known that we are a nation within borders, because our people now exist in Guatemala, in Belize, in Honduras, in Nicaragua, and in the United States. Also, let's not forget that some people remain behind in St. Vincent, because not everybody was exiled, right? So we are considered a nation because we all share the same language, identity, culture, even though we live in different countries across borders. We can find as many people in the United States maybe as in the Central American area. There is so many of us in the United States, specifically in what city?
St. Vincent.
New York. New York housed the biggest Garifuna population outside of Central America. Yeah. And I believe the Bronx in New York is the city that housed the biggest portion of that population. Okay? So Garina Wagia, Barua Garifuna Wagia, Yurume Oyabi, Lida Milu said Sa Gadruin de said. Wabruga Rubadon, Bia Milu vem Sisigriglia. Tida unsu Gunei, Tida unsu Manawalu, Hagune Alunduna. Lai Boburibuha, Hamalunduna, lige habara chumbo no iga dale o feidu bani urido. Kati tiliri habu tigarina. What was the name of the Garifuna chief?
Satuye.
The
Satuye.
Garifuna paramount chief.
Joseph Satuye.
The
Joseph
biggest
Satuye.
Garifuna leader known today.
Joseph Satuye.
I can't hear you.
Joseph Satuye.
Joseph
Satuye.
Joseph Satuye.
Obama.
Okay. Joseph Satuye, right?
Joseph Satuye.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yes, it is.
For America.
Okay? Joseph Satuye is the Garifuna paramount
Chief.
paramount chief.
Chief.
And there's a monument in Urume, as a memorial for Joseph Satuye. Okay? So this concludes our Garifuna history lesson of today. Say that again.